How's it going, everybody? This is Sean from the Scale Model Car Guy channel, and today's video is going to be an update on my Nissan FAIRLADY 240ZG build to my 124 scale, and that's with my good buddy old Justin from JHART Model Works, and he's doing an excellent job on his. His is going to be custom and badass, where mine's doing just like this exact box top. And before we get started on that, I want to thank Chris from CD Scale Models, Chris Donatone, and him and Justin and I are pretty good buddies. We all converse back and forth, and I'm glad to have this new shop card and glad to see him fixing to get back and get to building again. And if y'all ain't subscribed to him, get over there and subscribe to him. Chris is awesome. That dude can build a muscle car like no other. And by God, he can detail the hell out of it. I mean, aftermarket, everything. PE, you name it, he can do it. He is badass. He's one of the best muscle car guys I've seen out there. And he can build them flat out. Let me set this back to the side. And if y'all ain't subscribed to Justin, we're in this buddy build right now. Go check his out. And there's his information. Both of them will be a link in the description below. And before we get started, let me thank all my subscribers, all my old subscribers, all my new subscribers. If you ain't a subscriber, it's free. Thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever makes your world go around. Alright, guys. And before I show you what we got going on here, I just happened to be going through some pictures, and I found some pictures of me back in the, oh shoot, this is back in the 90s. Me and old George, the guy I always go to. Y'all see the videos where I go talk to George and everything. Well, there used to be a model club in Fort Smith called the West Art Modelers Association, and we used to have model shows and this and that from back in the day. And well, I was going through pictures and I found some good old pictures. This is from the contest. That's me right there. I don't know if y'all can see. I had hair, I was skinny, and I wasn't fat. I think I got another one too. Right there. And this guy's still around. That guy's still around. That was old Larry. I can't name a lot of these guys anymore. It's been so daggum long. This is my oldest son. My oldest son is like 31 now. So that shows you how old that's been. And right there, that's old George right there. That's back in his younger days. Now he's such an old fart, it ain't even funny. There's me right there. All young. There's my oldest son. He got him a second place ribbon for, that looks like a Volkswagen, like a new Beetle. So that had to been like around 98, 99 for him. Let's see. This is another picture. He got him a certificate, and this is my youngest son right here. And he got his certificate. Now, I'm not for sure what that was for. It's been so long ago. But that's my son, and that's my son, guys. Let's see. Well, that's the same picture there. And here's my youngest boy going up there and getting his plaque or whatever it was at the time. I can't tell. There's George in the background. There's my two sons together. And that was their stuff on the table right there. I know for a fact that was my oldest boy who built that one. I can't remember on these right here. It's been so long. Here we are again. There they are. That's Austin. That's Christopher. Oh, Chris. Look how young they were. He's a recruiter in upstate New York. He's a teacher, lives about, an hour or so away from me. That's me again. Here's one of my builds from back in the day. Y'all seen this before. It's all yellowed and old now, but that was a 120 scale. Let's see, that was a Fiat, and it was a TAMIYA kit, yeah. That is my 112 scale TAMIYA Safari racing car. That was a Datsun 240Z. There it is with the figures. Had everything opened up on display. There's a couple more of my models there. That was the 510 and the Honda S800. Here was my 116 scale Tony Nancy dragster. And this here was my 1/8 scale slingshot or whatever it was, exterminator, that's what it is. Lindbergh 1/8 scale. And that was my 112 scale Fiat gasser, drag car, whatever you want to call it. I was going through some, I just found those today, which I know I got more and stuff somewhere, but those are all the ones I found, so I figured I'd share them with you guys. Alright, let's show you what I've gotten done. Now this ain't finished. I got one more, just a little bit left, and it will be finished. Alright, I don't know if y'all seen the last time I put the carpet in it. I got the seat belts. You can see there. The dash, I don't know if you can see that very good or not. Let's see if I can get some better lighting in here. Let's see if you can see the gauges. I put the white glue over the gauges to give it the glass look. I don't know if you can see that very good. And there you go. I just bumped the camera, but there you can see it. Let's see. I think on that panel right in here, I don't know if you can see it, my hands. I just used a pencil to kind of brush that in to get the effects of it, so you can see the details in it. You can see the underneath. I got the wheels turned. I got the red sway bar, the red springs. I got the wheels and tires finished, other than the decals that go in the center of the center cap right there. And same way on that one. That's like a 4-piece wheel. Guys, if y'all don't have this TAMIYA kit, you need to get it. It is one awesome kit. I got it finished up underneath here. I think that's about all I'm going to do to it. And then I got all the little pieces here, like there's the little side skirts painted. I got the rear bumper painted, assembled. It's just got to go on the car. There's the hood. Hopefully no dust on it. Y'all can see that. It could have probably stood a little more polishing, but it's alright. I got my little mirrors are done. They even got the little metal backing, little transfer right there for the mirror. And then got my little side markers painted. I got the metal transfer around the side markers. So all that's left now is to put all these metal scripts on here. Got to put those on. I still got what's left of the little emblems and door handles, stuff like that. And there are the wheel decals and the side decals right there, the hood decal. And then here's the body. There's the, I got the back done here. I don't have the license plates on there yet, which the license plates only say Nissan Z, so I mean, or FAIRLADY Z, so that's There's my tail lights. You can see the tail lights in there. I got the front. You can see that right there. I'm trying to keep it in focus. There's the headlight lenses, or the covers. The headlights set back in the back. It's got the marker lights in. Got all holes drilled for the mirrors and the little side skirts. Got everything black washed. The panel lines. I don't know how well any of this is coming in, guys, but... And there she is. Like I said, I probably could have polished her out a little bit better. Still got the gnat down in here. It's right there. Well, the gnat's not there, but the little scuff mark where the gnat was at, it's there. It's not going to be perfect. I polished the windows a little bit, but I polished it and I come back and then I get a scuff in it. I don't know where in the hell that come from, but it is what it is, guys. I got just a little bit to finish up and this baby is going to be done, and then I will reveal it when Justin gets his done, and we'll reveal them on the same day. So alright, guys, I'm sorry to bore y'all with my old pictures and everything. Get over there and subscribe to Chris at CD Scale Models and Justin at JHART Model Works. Get over there, subscribe to them guys. Show them some support. If you subscribe to me, you need to be subscribed to them guys. Those two guys are my buddies, my homies, my pals. Get over there and subscribe to them. Alright guys, love you. Peace out.